Hi everyone, my name is Clyde D'Souza, and in this video we'll take a look at a retrospective template called Gather Town Retrospective. This is a template that I created and published to the Miroverse. Miroverse is a platform where you can browse through community-driven templates and just copy it with a click of a button. But wait, what is Gather Town? Gather Town is an amazing product which tries to make virtual interactions more human by creating a digital space where user avatars can just walk around and seamlessly interact with other humans. So, what to expect from a Gather Town retrospective? Well, let's check it out. Now, when you get the template, you'll get a template and an example, but let's just walk through the template. We start with a waiting room on the top left over here. This is where you select an avatar of your choice and then drag your avatar to the next room and choose a carpet of your choice. So you drag your avatar on a carpet. The second room is the icebreaker room. If you were stuck alone in a room for 3 days, what are the three items you would want to have with you? So now from this center carpet, you pick three items. So you copy three of these objects into your carpet and then go around the room explaining the reason behind your choice. Of course, there is no right or wrong answer here. Then in the next room, we have what went well. Grab a post-it note and jot down some notes on what went well the last sprint. And if you go to the next room, we have the graveyard. Is what didn't go well. Grab a post-it note and similarly just enter things of what didn't go well during the last sprint. And now connected to that, we have action points. Where to next? So you have made a note of things that didn't go well, but out of those things, what can you do? What actions can you take so that the things that didn't go well can be better next time? So grab a note and add your thoughts on what actions you can take so that the next sprint things go better. And then finally, you have a park where you can just unwind and relax with your team members. So that was it. Nice, quick, and easy, simple retrospective gather town style. Now, I will paste the link to this page in the description of this YouTube video. But of course, just to quickly walk you through these three main buttons, if you do like this template, hit this button here, hit the share button if you want to share this template with your friends, family, and network, and also do tag me in your posts. My links to the social media handles are down below. And then of course the main button, which is the use template button, click on this button so that Miro can copy this template, can copy this retrospective board to your Miro account, and then you can have your very own personal copy of the Gather Town retrospective, which you can start using with your team. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And of course, stay tuned for more videos to come on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.